Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, Programming with Vijay. In this video, we are going to see about how to expand the sprite without using line renderer, as shown in beside video. Before that, please subscribe our channel, so it will motivate me to put new videos. Okay, let us go into the video. Create an empty sprite render and name it as node. Create another sprite render as a child of node and name it as line. Create two folders. One for prefab, another one for scripts. In the scripts folder, create two scripts. One for node and another one for line. Attach the line script to line game object. Node script to node game object. In the line game object sprite renderer, change the draw mode from simple to sliced. In the sprite folder I have one PNG. I will attach the link for sprite in description. Either you can use that, or normal default square is enough. Attach the PNG to the line sprite renderer's sprite. We are going to modify the value of draw mode's width and height in the scripts. Drag and drop the line game object to the prefab folder and make it as prefab. Delete the line prefab from hierarchy. Now open both the script in Visual Studio. Create three variables. For getting sprite renderer, one variable. Two float variable. One for distance and another one for width of the line. Create a function with one parameter vector 3. Add one transform variable start node. Calculate the distance between mouse position and start node position. We can use either local position or position for start node. Start node variable will be assigned in the node script. Now assign the line's transform position to the midpoint of start node's position and mouse position. Go to node script. Clear all pre-written code. Add two variables. One for referencing the instantiated line and another one for prefab which will be instantiated. Add on mouse drag function also, so we can expand the line when drag is triggered. In the start function, instantiate the line. Assign start node variable of line script to this transform. Set the line width to 0.5 f. In the onMouse drag function, get the mouse position in world space. And check if line is null or not. If it is not null, then we can call the move line function. Give the mouse position as parameter. Switch back to Unity. Assign the line prefab in the node script component. In the line prefab, assign the sprite renderer. Add circle collider 2D to the node object, to detect the drag. Now click play. And drag the node game object. You will see nothing in game tab. But in the scene tab you can see the line game object moving between mouse position and start node position. So we can get some visual of the line expanding. Go to the line script. Set the value of line renderer size. X value as the distance which we calculated and Y value as width. Now switch back to Unity and press play. When you drag you can see the line expanding. But it is not rotating according to the mouse position. For that, go to the line script. We can rotate the line according to the mouse position and start node position. Switch back to Visual Studio. In the line script, get the direction of the vector from line's position and start node position. We can calculate direction by subtracting line's position and start node position. Now set the line's right direction to the direction vector which we calculated. So the line's right transform, that is x direction, will rotate according to the direction which we calculated. Save and switch to Unity. Press play. Drag the node. You can see the line rotating according to the mouse position. This rotation can also be achieved in different way, by using transform.rotation, to rotate according to direction which we calculated. Let's see how we can do that. Switch back to Visual Studio. Comment the transform.right line. Create a float variable and name it as angle. To calculate the angle, we can use a tan 2. A tan 2 will calculate the angle in radians of a direction. We can use direction which we calculated between transform position and start node position. To use a tan 2, put the class or library which Unity uses, mathf then a tan 2. Inside the brackets, put the y direction as first parameter and x direction as second parameter. Now convert radians to degrees by mathf.radian to degree. Now the angle is calculated, we have to use it to rotate. Now put transform.rotation equal to the quaternion.euler. Inside the Euler pass a vector 3. In the z value pass the angle which we calculated. Switch back to Unity. Press play. Now drag the node. We can see the same result. It rotates according to the angle which we calculated. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like to this video, if you gained some knowledge. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have queries or doubts, put in comment section. Also you can comment the topic which I can post the next video.